we started on planet Hoven, and we actually got some rare tenium that we could trade back to that guy on Fokataru, so that way we could get the Persuader. So, in this episode, we will be exploring more planet Hoven, as we are going to stop the planet buster. And I die immediately. Awesome. Oh my gosh. Ready? There we go. So. Ready. And, yeah. So, on the day that I'm recording this, it's 2 days now until the big event at my job, where we have an old WWE wrestler coming in, and I'm actually really excited. I've never been a huge fan of wrestling, but just the fact that he's going to be in the store kind of makes me excited. Well, just the fact of anybody famous being in the store, like someone who's nationally known, being near you, kind of makes you excited, just a little bit. Even if you don't care for the person, it's kind of, oh wow, they're coming here. Alright, I'm not even gonna worry about those guys. No, these guys are not gonna kill him. Blaster ammo. Basic platforming section. Oh, come on. Thank you. And, yeah, so, another subject. Me and my sister are playing through a little game you might know called Kingdom Hearts. I'm playing through it for, like, the third time, and these guys are glitching out. But, just going back through and playing that game makes me realize how much I love that game. I love that game, but the controls are horrendous. Like, the controls could do so much better compared to the other games. And so, yeah. I'm going to do that on this channel at some point. Not quite sure when, but hopefully sooner rather than later. That would just be so cool. Alrighty.
We are too late. The ship is leaving.
Hang on. There's an old defense turret over there. Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I sincerely doubt it.
God, it's not hitting anything. But, yeah, I'm going to play through Kingdom Hearts. I'm going to play through Kingdom Hearts 2, definitely. When I play through them, I'm going to play through them on the final mixes. So that way I can get, like, all the other games with them as well.
You are about to embark on a very dangerous mission. We will be launching a heavily armed surprise attack from our new moon base against a completely unarmed planet. Actually, that doesn't sound too dangerous. Nevertheless, your orders are simple. Destroy anything that moves. Steal the power generators from Gorda City. Then destroy anything that doesn't move. Oh, and don't forget, have fun.
We must get to the moon base and stop Drek.
No, we have to get to the moon base to find Quark. If Drek is there, Quark is probably with him.
But Drek is going to destroy that city. We must get to the base.
That's what I said.
No, that is what I said.
Fine.
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 The plot thickens. Alright, so let's just go ahead and jump over to the other pathway the crossroads could lead us and journey down this path. Oh god. There we go. Cool. Oh, one survivor. Alright, small. Yeah, but so whenever I play through the Kingdom Hearts games, it's going to be on the live stream, so I'm going to have to figure out how to get that to work. Yeah, so, and also, I've never played Birth by Sleep, which I'm extremely saddened about. I've never played, well, I'm going to play, I'll 358 over 2, because I just got it the other day, so I'm going to play through that. I've played through Recoded, didn't like it as well as the other ones, and I've played through Dream Drop. So I've played through over half of it, half of the Kingdom Hearts series. The game I most want to play is the 0.2 story, because that seems really cool, and I've never played through it, so it'll be a first for me for some of the games going through. I mean, I know what happens because I've seen other people play it, so it won't be any huge shock to me, this storyline. So I might have to get either Alex or Alex or Victor in order to help us with the reaction factor. I think Alex will like it more than Victor, because Alex, his family's a bit of a Disney family, so just the fact that that's part of it might make him want to see this. So, where are we going? There we are. Yeah, so right now we're just trying to get the level of water to rise up to fill up the room, and we have successfully done that. So let's go ahead and jump across. Yeah, I see that the volt meter is down there clanking away, saying, "Hey, pull out your thing to suck up the bolts and stuff like that." But I'm not going to do that, mainly because I'm going to save that for doing that off screen, because we need some way to get money for the Rhino, and that's one of the ways I'm going to do it. So, and plus, it's not really necessary for you to know all the spots where the bolts pop up. I mean, if you watch the videos, you'll know where the bolts are popping up, so yeah, you can just tell it from that. So going through this, apparently they're making the explosive boxes, and we're going to destroy them all. So, just moving through. health back, thank God. Alright. I know I missed a few boxes, I'll go back and get those. Alrighty, and here we are at the end.
Hey, buddy, what's shaking?
Oh my goodness. Aren't you just a little angel?
Actually, I'm a little robot.
You're funny too.
Yeah? Looks aren't everything.
You be nice. I think I got something special for you. How would you like a hydro pack upgrade?
That would be quite helpful for swimming underwater.
Whatever.
There you go, sweetie. Oh, you look so handsome.
Thank you, miss. Your craftspersonship is excellent.
If you two are through,
Jealous?
You come back and see me any old time.
Your hydro pack will automatically equip when you are swimming. The hydro pack lets you swim against currents.
Alrighty, so we have a pack that can help us in regards to swimming in water. So that will be a little bit useful, so here later at least. So, after completing this planet and destroying the Planet Buster, I think we're going to end it off here. So, next time on Let's Play Ratchet and Clank, we will be exploring the new planet of the Ultinus Orbit. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. And the Gemlik base. So we can explore it. Alrighty. So, if you like this part, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a fantastic day.